Hello guys, so today I'm going to do unboxing for this Alexa second generation speaker. I have bought this one from Amazon. Okay, actually this is a refurbished version. So let us see how the things look like. Actually, although now fourth generation has already been in the market for quite a while, but let's see how the things goes. Actually I got it at a pretty good deal, that's why I opted for this. So let me cut the packet. Okay. I guess I would have opted for a knife. Right. Okay, so this is how the content comes. Okay, so first of all, here we are having this massive size power brick. Okay, although looks pretty much good. Yeah, although this is comes in plastic wrap. Okay, and what else we get? What else we get is, I think we have to take out this part. Alright, so yeah, this was here we get a pamphlet. I think this is user guide, how the things will work and all. Okay, hope I think no one is going to read. Okay, and yeah, here is the device. Okay, some more paperworks are there. Okay, so yeah, this Echo and all. Okay, let me keep these all things to side. Okay, and yeah, this is the one to try and all. Hope everyone gets this one. Right, I think this is wrapped here. Okay, and we can easily remove this one. Yeah, so this is how the speaker comes in. So basically we are having these all things. So this is to try, and here goes your Echo, all this stuff. Okay, let me keep these all things to side. Okay, and this is how the device comes in. Okay, this is fully wrapped. Okay, although it weighs a good amount, I think. Right, it's always a pleasure to remove this plastic. Okay, and here is the Amazon logo. Although I wanted to opt for a white version, but I think I didn't get it. Although it's refurbished one, so whatever you get, it's always a good. Okay, and this can be easily removed as well. Okay, so hope you can see here. Right, so here's, you can see a driver, so it is a subwoofer, I guess. And here we are having a tweeter, and it has basically four buttons. This is volume up, down, then action button, and this is for microphone. Okay, let me, I think again I will have to insert it back. Okay, guys, be mindful of when you are inserting it back. Okay, it should match this one. So here you are having line out, so basically you can connect to your bigger speaker through 3.5mm jack output here, and this is the power in. Okay, so yeah, and this is the power brick you have. Okay, so let me connect it to power, and let's see how it boots up and all. So as you can see here, I have just connected to my power, and it is just turning out. Let's see how the things goes. although the ring light looks pretty well.
Hello. Let's get started. Just install the Alexa app and follow the instructions.
Okay guys, so I think I will have to pause down the video and I will have to get inside the app, Alexa app, and I will have to set it up. Okay, so let me do that and I'll be back. So guys, actually I did the setup, and yeah, so I am back after setting up. So let us go through some of the commands. Okay, as you can see here, few questions are there. Okay, so maybe I'll have to focus it. Yeah, Alexa, play Bollywood music.
Here's a station you might like, Bollywood Party, on Amazon Music.
Alexa, pause. So as you can see, things are going pretty well. Okay, it answers most of the questions. Okay, maybe let me take the next one. Alexa, tell me today's news.
Here's your news. From NDTV India, Taza Khabrein.
Alexa, stop. Alexa, set an alarm.
Alarm for what time?
Tomorrow 5 a.m.
Alarm set for 5 a.m. tomorrow. Would you like this alarm set for every weekday?
No, thank you. So as you can see, things are pretty well. So I think, yeah, so basically it does all these things. Okay, you can set maybe timer. Thereafter you are having a reminder, then you can play a radio as well. Okay, maybe you can tell like Alexa, play relaxing music. So all these things can be done at a single shot. Okay, thereafter you can do easily shopping. So basically you can add some products in your cart and all. So this is all about, guys. The reason why I opted this one is because, you know, although it's a 2 generation old, but really sound is very good. And yeah, it's powered by Dolby Atmos. And I think not Dolby Atmos, it's powered by Dolby. So and yeah, and here you are having the 7 micro far field microphones, so which does a better job. And really the current days, I think number of microphones has been reduced, if I am not wrong. Okay, so getting this one at a pretty low price is a good deal. You have to keep on checking at Amazon's website. There are certain sales where you know this price will get dropped off and all. So really it's a pretty good speaker, and really it has a good weight in this. Okay, and really the sound is very good. Really, you'll love it, guys. Really, it can easily fill a room. uh, I think small room, not small to medium room can be easily filled up. So it's really a good speaker for the price. Okay, maybe I'll try to leave a link to buy this one in case if it is there. Okay, and hope you people also buy it. Okay, and thank you for watching the video. If you like it, please do a like, share, and in case if you want for more updated news, so you can subscribe to my channel as well. Thank you guys, thank you for watching the video. Thank you.